Hello everyone, welcome back to the tea. So today we're talking about Doja Cat, and in a shocking video she shares that she hates her hair, which is 4C, and that is the reason why she wears wigs.
4C can suck my ass is what 4C can do. 4C can thought I heard my boyfriend. 4C could bend over and lick my ass. Good luck trying to finger comb it. Good luck trying to put a wide tooth through it the first couple of minutes. Jesus Christ. Why even God was like, let me give this bitch 4C hair just so that she could go bald. You know what I mean?
Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.